This is part of a collection of 10 easy hairstyles. This is hairstyle number 5. Now for this hairstyle, I started off by taking out a large rectangle on the top and placing a ponytail just behind the crown. It's nice and close. You can see how we're going to put it together. There we go. Go over and over like that. Now what I do as I'm braiding, I add a little piece from the side and I braid over and add another piece, and I go over and add another piece. This is just a very basic sort of, some of you call it a fishtail braid, some of you call it a French braid. I call it a French braid, but I know different countries that I go to, it changes. Now what I do is I then go to the ponytail and I keep on adding these pieces in, and I just add them all the way down. Then I pull at them like that. Just pull at them a little bit like this. Once I've got that, split the tails off into 2. Now flip them under and bring them back up like this, and place those into a section clip like that, just 2 section clips. Once you've got that, start to shape the braid into the nape of the neck and pin across the grain of the back of the hair. You can see now I've got this looking quite beautiful. I'm going to take a little topsy tail like this, and I'm going to place the hair through and pull it in and under the braid, and we're going to do the same on the opposite side. There we go. And we're going to use those to form a little bit of decoration. There we go. You can see them on the side. So now, as you can see, I'm just pulling those little tails in and tucking them in to give them a final look. I love the balance on this hairstyle, the way it goes bigger at the back and smaller at the top. I love this. Now let's have a little look at what this looks like on our beautiful model.